In this video, I'm actually going to explain how you can draw on a particular theme like Independence Day. At first, gather all the importance and informations of that day and then put all of them in a frame and try to make it as simple as possible that anyone can understand. I will explain the whole into two parts. In this part 1, I will draw the whole theme with a pencil, and in the next part, I will show how to appropriately color your drawing. It's Onivan here with Arthicana. Let's jump into the video. Before starting, I have a question for you. Watch till the end and tell me in the comment section the inner meaning of my drawing. Let's see how many of you can really understand me. I will show the best comments in my next video. I started drawing with some characters in a row. Whether it is our national flag or the land capital of Ashoka, the most important part is the Ashok Chakra, which contains 24 spokes. Here in this tutorial, I will show how to draw the Ashok Chakra perfectly, so don't miss out any step. If you face any problem during your drawing, don't forget to ask me. My Instagram handle is in the description box. I am almost done, and thank you for subscribing me. Till then, goodbye, take care, Jai Hind.